friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DB. So in this video I am going to tell you as to how can you distinguish between alkenes and phenols, considering that both are able to decolorize bromine water. It goes from orange to colorless. Now first of all we'll have to look at the reaction of ethene with bromine. You know that it's an electrophilic addition reaction and you get 1,2-dibromoethane. The bromine, which was orange in color, it turns colorless in this reaction. On the other hand, when we look at the reaction of phenol with bromine, then in that case, you know that it's a triple substitution with bromine entering in 2, 4 and 6 position and forming 2,4,6-tribromophenol. So as a result, there are three observations when phenol reacts with bromine. First one is that the solution turns orange to colorless. Second observation is for the HBr, that you see misty fumes. And the third observation will be on account of the organic product, which is the 2,4,6-tribromophenol, which will give you a white solid. So therefore, to conclude this, you can see that if you add bromine water to an unknown compound and you see it just goes from orange to colorless but no other visible observation, then it must be an alkene. However, if you see three observations, that is, the bromine water goes from orange to colorless, misty fumes form, and a white solid also you can see, then in that case, it's likely to be phenol. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this. And if you like it, then please like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to see you on my next video. Bye.